Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video I can change the language at the LG V40 ThinQ. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone, the way I will show you now with all the positions and so on, with all the symbols will be the same. So follow carefully, let us start. So first of all, we need the settings. It will be always this symbol here. So look for the settings, then tap it. So then scroll down to the last point, the yellow one here, system. And then we need the second point, language and input. So it is yellow with an A in it, with the A in it. So then we need the first point. So, and then we are here at the language. So maybe your language is already here a part of the list, like my language, German. So in that case, you go here on the 3 lines and put it up to the first position, and then the phone will be in your language. In my case, it is now in German. So let me turn it back into English. Same way, the 3 lines, put it on the first position, and now it's in English again. In case your language is not part of that list, you have here below the opportunity to add a language. It is written in capital letters, so let us tap it. And now you can choose the language you want to have. Maybe let's keep going on in English. So tap on English. And I can change the dialect you want to have. Maybe from Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, and so on. Maybe let us take the dialect of New Zealand. And now the English with the dialect of New Zealand is part of our list. So if we want to have it now on our phone, go on the 3 lines, put it on the first position, and it's done. Now the phone is English and with the dialect of New Zealand, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested on a major, subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.